As usual on the farm, I got like 1,001 things that are broken and need fixing. I actually have 2 of these hedge trimmers and they're broken, so I bought a third one on a flea market. That naturally didn't work at all, so which one should I choose to fix first? Let's have a go at this one. It's gonna be a touch and go thing. I don't know really what to do, but let's see now. Well, that one worked. That was an easy fix. Let's go for this one then. Fun. They've been lying around for a year now. This is the one I bought on the flea market. Oh, this one is broken for real then. It looks a bit dangerous. How are you supposed to hold it? Like that? Okay, great. I got 2 working hedge trimmers then that I thought were broken. But let's have a go and see if I can fix this one. The cord is loose. No idea what's wrong, so we'll open up and see what's going on inside. So this is just some sort of handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's a screw missing there. Ah, there was another screw. So I got her open, checking out the insides here. Everything seems all right. Ah, okay. Do a close up. Got some exposed wire here, squished against the box. This could be a short circuit. Take off that wire there. Yeah. The first thing you can see, both these wires are exposed. They've been squished too hard. I'm going to take a different wire, attach here, and make a small, easy test and see if that's the problem. Got a fresh wire here. Just attach these things. So we have to be extra careful now because the machine is open. See if we can get it to... There you go. Something wrong with this cord, this squished wires. That's a fix. I have to reattach everything, use this new cord. I'm going to take that one off. Going from 3 broken ones to 3 whole ones in only 2 minutes. That's fantastic. If you ever start fiddling around with electronics like this, you have to be extremely careful. And if you struggle to keep the wires apart and know what the earth is and stuff like that, you shouldn't do this at home. So I got the new wire attached. Just gonna entangle this one in here. Like so. And make sure that these wires aren't squished when I put it together again. Something like that. Because the other wires were squished against this block here. And you can see this wire, it's the earth. In this case, there's no way where to put it. So I'm just going to snip that one off. It's not needed for this type of device. And now we'll just put it back together in the same order we took it apart. I'm going to make extra sure that it's not squeezed anywhere here. This looks good. Over here, yes, very good. Just tighten everything up once more so nothing comes loose. There is actually a screw missing here. I think that won't affect the safety of it too much. Before I put on the last piece, it's good to see that everything works, because when you screw it together again, normally something comes loose and it doesn't work. So I'm going to have a careful function test here, just working just fine. As we saw, it was attached this way before, but that was kind of weird. I want to hold it like this, and the text, Black & Decker, is upwards. So you want to hold the machine like this. I believe someone has opened this one up. There's missing a screw and the cords were squeezed. Remember that? You see, you got the indentions there. If you look carefully, you got the same shape here. Popped into place now. And this seems much, much better. someone was doing something they shouldn't have been. Now this was a weird thing for someone else to do, to put this handle backwards. But if you're feeling uncertain, you can always like take a photo of stuff. Take many photos, like this wire was attached there, this handle was on that direction. So you can reassemble everything in the right order and the right way. Yeah, this is the way to hold it. Remember how it looked before when the handle was on the other side? There, now this feels much safer, much better. I'm gonna put some oil on this and then we're ready to go. We got 3 of these. Nice. Perfect, I got 3 working hedge trimmers now.